If you want to make your life easier and, for example, extract the repetitive code from the main method to another method, then remember that the elements you refer to from inside must also be marked as static. Let's see a short example of a program whose task is to display numbers from a certain range. The repetitive part of the code responsible for printing on the screen was moved to separate methods. So, we created the print numbers method responsible for printing numbers from 0 currently because we have this variable start and assigned value 0 to the value given as the parameter. Do not worry about for the for loop in this method. The loops will be explained in a separate module. Because we refer to this method from inside the main method, we also had to mark it as static as well as the start variable.